Hello guys, here we go again.
Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
We're gonna destroy our minivan. We already was the matting, the seats. As you can see, our minivan is already bold star.
Wait lang, sir, ha? I just
Okay.
explaining first.
We have a walis paypay here to walis-walis.
Kayo na kumuusap dito, ha? Nakakapikon to, hindi ko maintindihan eh, ha? Ha? Nagulo ang English niyan. Sasapakin ko yan.
And these are plastic. We remove it. Then the problem is I don't know how to